First semester BCom examination 2022, 2023 and 2024 compiled. NEP solved question paper. Commerce, Financial Accountancy, Section A. All 2 marks questions from 2022, 2023 and 2024 question papers. 1. Give the meaning of financial accountancy. It is the process of systematically recording, classifying, summarizing and reporting financial transaction of a business. It helps measure a company's financial performance, track assets and liabilities, and provide information for decision making. 2. What is revenue expenditure? It refers to the expenditure whose benefit is exhausted within 1 year. It is incurred on the fixed assets for the maintenance, instead of increasing the earning capacity of the assets. Example, salary paid, rent paid, printing charges etc. 3. If assets is 150,000 rupees and liabilities is 100,000 rupees. Find out the amount of capital. Assets equals liabilities plus capital. So, capital equals assets minus liability. Capital equals 150,000 minus 100,000. Therefore, capital equals 50,000. 4. What is account sales? Account sales is a statement specifying the price at which the goods are sold, the commission earned by the consignee, the expenses incurred by the consignee on behalf of the consignment and the net balance for which the consignee is liable. It is prepared by the consignee and does not have a fixed or specified format. 5. Give the meaning of dependent branch. It refers to the branch which are under the control of head office for its administration. For such branches, the head office itself maintains the detailed accounts of all transactions related to the branch, including sales, expenses and stock. 6. State any 2 elements of lease. Contract, asset, lease period, termination. 7. Give the meaning of hire purchase. It refers to the system wherein the sellers of goods delivers goods to buyers without transferring the ownership of goods. The payment for the goods will be made by the buyer in installments. Ownership transfer on the payment of last installment. 8. Mention any 4 recent trends in accounting. Accounting through cloud computing, green accounting, human resource accounting, inflation accounting, database accounting. 9. Who is consignor and consignee? Consignor, he is a person who produces the goods or owner of the goods, who transfer goods to the another person to sell on behalf of him. Consignee, he is a person who receives the goods from consignor to sell on behalf of him for a certain percentage of commission. 10. Mention any 4 features of dependent branches. Centralized control, no independent financial records, limited autonomy, stock supplied by head office, profit and loss determined by head office. 11. Give the meaning of database accounting. A database is shared collection of interrelated data table which meet the various information of needs of an organization. Thus an accounting database stores the accounting data. It is a collection of accounting data which is interrelated to despite the various aspects of accounting informational system. 12. If assets are 600,000 rupees and liabilities are 300,000 rupees. Find out the amount of capital. Asset equals liability plus capital. So, capital equals asset minus liability. Capital equals 600,000 minus 300,000. Therefore capital equals 300,000. 13. Give the meaning of down payment. A down payment is an initial payment made by a buyer at the time of purchasing an asset under hire purchase, where the remaining balance is paid through installments. 14. State any 2 differences between journal and ledger. 1. Journal is a book of primary entry. Ledger is a book of final entry. 2. The transactions are recorded in chronological order. Transactions are recorded in analytical order. 3. Narrations are given. Narrations are not recorded. 15. Mention any 2 objectives of financial accounting. To know the solvency position. Providing information to the users for rational decision making. Systematic recording of the transactions. 16. Why does hire purchase price is more than cash price? The hire purchase price is higher than the cash price because it includes interest charges for the installment payments and additional administrative costs associated with financing the purchase. 17. Mention any 2 features of accounting. Recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting. 18. What is capital expenditure? Give an example. Capital expenditure is an expenditure whose benefit is not exhausted in just 1 year but the benefit is available for more than 1 year. Example, cost of fixed assets such as land and building, machineries, furniture etc. 19. If assets are 750,000 rupees and liabilities are 350,000 rupees. Find out the amount of capital. Assets equals liabilities plus capital. So capital equals assets minus liability. Capital equals 750,000 minus 350,000. Therefore capital equals 400,000. Thank you. Subscribe.